Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix mouse scroll wheel going up and down and basically jumping. So to go ahead and fix this problem, we need to do a couple of things. First, you want to go ahead and grab yourself a small cloth or a paper towel that basically allows you to insert it onto the edges of the scroll wheel right here. And basically it will allow us to clear stuck dust and debris within the scroll wheel that's basically making the scroll wheel jump. Now the next thing that you want to do is to just glue into the hole right here, which will once again do the same thing. And the last thing that I highly suggest, which will basically fix the problem entirely, is to grab yourself a contact cleaner that's safe with electrical components, and you could just glue around the hole right here. That will go ahead and clear the debris onto our mouse. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.